Alright guys, this video that we're posting today is going to be a couple different hunts. Most of the videos is going to come from today's hunt, then we'll have a few from a couple solo hunts that me and Melvin's done, and then I'm going to try to put some pictures in of some old finds that we've found over time just to try to make a video. So hope you guys enjoy. As you can tell, it's raining a little bit. Melvin is back down there somewhere. There he is. It's hard to see because it's not focusing. We'll find nothing spectacular, but a little thing off of a coach bag. I've already found a penny, and Melvin's found a penny. We're hunting this park area. Melvin's done been here one time, found a little bit, and we're seeing what we can find. All right, Melvin said he got something kind of interesting. We're gonna go over here and see. What you got?
Two dog tags.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. Okay.
Then not too far from, that's when I found this one.
Awesome. And that probably came from the little dog park right there. Again, this is a city park. You got a little dog park area, walking track. So, all right, catch you guys on the next one. We're working our way through this soupy, muddy mess, as you can see. And I think I just got a dime. Yep, just a modern dime. Catch you on the next one. All right, so old Melvin says he's got something else up here. Let's go see what we got. What you got, Melvin?
2001 McDonald.
Oh, it's kind of neat.
So it must have been
It was
like
a
a pen.
Yep,
Yeah,
like a hat pin.
yeah, that's what that was.
Oh, that's cool. All right, catch you guys on the next one. I did it. I got a gold ring. It's a gold pull tab ring, but it's still gold, and it's in the shape of a ring. That sounded good too. Solid 55, every which direction. Oh well, what can you do? Oh, we'll catch you on the next one. So we've worked our way up on top of the hill. It's quit raining on us finally. Melvin up ahead of me there. We ain't finding much, but we are getting a little bit of stuff. Sure, it's going to be a modern Lincoln. Yep. All right. We will catch you on the next one. So this one was basically a surface find. It's getting the signal. Break the leaves back. And there you go. Good old Washington quarter. See you on the next. Alright, Melvin's got him something. Up next to the bathrooms. It's probably a poop pipe. What you got?
It's a dime.
Awesome.
Got a good tone to it. It was good, 85, 86, 87. I thought it was, it'd be a piece of rebar because it's so close to the concrete. But 19, not really sure. That says 1969 or 1989. It's
all right, so Melvin's quarter or dime is a 1969 or 60.
Oh, really?
I believe that's a 1960D. Awesome job. Catch you on the next one.
90.
All right, live dig here on Melvin. Sounds like there might be a couple of signals there.
2 inches deep. What we got here.
I already see it. It's a pull tab.
Is it? Don't tell me that. Probably is. It's nuts. So, man, that thing had a good tone to it. But that's all it was.
Is that it?
That's all it was. Oh man.
The jinx of the live dig.
It had a good tone to it, that's for sure.
The last live dig that we done with you was not a jinx though. That's when you found that little ring, remember?
Yeah.
The little kids ring down at the fairgrounds?
Yeah, I remember that.
Alright, see you on the next one. And it's getting windy and cold. They're calling for snow in our area this evening and tomorrow. So, yeah. Anyway, see y'all on the next one. So, I've got basically another surface find. I've already looked at it, and it is a modern penny. $2,000. Alright, see you on the next one. Alright, just got another surface find. See it right there. It's gonna be a dime. Hang on, let me get cleaned up and I'll get you a date. It's gonna be a 2015. Right on the ground, right on top of the ground. Alright, catch you on the next. Alright, Melvin called me over. So he just found an earring, thinks it might be silver. Alright, couldn't find anything on it, no markings, so not sure. We'll have to check it better later. What else you got?
Looks like a end of a flashlight. It's got a little bulb on it.
Yep,
See?
that's exactly what that is.
Like a end of a mag light or something like that. And found this, looks like maybe it was a toggle switch.
Yep.
Right there. That was right in front of the bathroom.
You said you found another 11 cent?
Yeah, I found 11 cents.
Awesome.
So yeah, this I got so far right there.
Awesome.
The 2 dimes and 2 pennies and a quarter.
Alright, we'll catch you on the next. Well, that seems like it's going to be another coin day. Just popped that, and right there's how it popped. See the cool impression. '76, 1976. Catch you on the next. Got another penny. Came up 75. 2001. Catchings on the next. And we've got another modern penny surface find. It's like a 2017. We'll catch you on the next one. Told you guys it's going to be another coin day. There it is. You can already tell it's going to be modern. It's too corroded. Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. Alright, Melvin called me over again. Thinks he's got a penny, possibly. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a penny. You can tell. Seen better days. Yeah.
Yep.
I ain't gonna get a date on it. 1982? All right, not 1984.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's what it is. I can read it now, but.
Alright, we're catching's on the next one. Don't tell Melvin, but I was going back over where he's been. Got a coin right there. Probably a modern penny. Huh, it's a dime. Here we go. Looks like it's going to be 85. Alright, see you on the next one. Well, there's something I really did not expect to find here. It's a shotgun shell head stamp. In the middle of the city at a park. So we'll see you on the next one. Alright folks, we just finished up. Left a little bit early. Melvin's got a few things to do. Didn't find a whole lot, mostly trash, a bunch of pop tops, bottle caps. It was sounding real good. We did find a little bit of stuff though. Melvin got him a Porsche. It's the only way he's ever going to own one. The dog tags he found, the earring, cool piece of glass, bunch of clad. I found a bunch of clad, the little piece of off of a Coach bag. After we finished up, we didn't get it filmed, but found a piece of a bracelet. I'm sure it's cheap. A couple shotgun head stamps, and again, we're in the middle of the city at a city park. So yeah, we found. Anyway, we appreciate you guys watching. We'll try to get videos out as we can. Both of us work full time, so we get them out as we can. Again, thank y'all for watching. Have a great day. Till next time. Oh my God. I just hit a bucket lister right there out of this hole, right in the bottom. It's a Merc. Oh. Oh my gosh. Come on, focus. Oh. Look at that. Oh, I can't believe it. 1942. Somebody just upgraded to semi-professional. I'm shaking a little bit. Let's go. Nice.